Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the latest buzz about the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. If you're a drone enthusiast or love staying updated with the latest tech gadgets, this is the video for you. Let's start with the new sensor. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro features a mysterious sensor on one of its propeller arms. This new addition has everyone talking and speculating about its capabilities. Now, on to the LiDAR debate. There's a lot of speculation about whether the sensor is a LiDAR system or an infrared (IR) system. Both options have their own advantages, and it's exciting to see what DJI has in store for us. The primary function of this sensor is for obstacle sensing and avoidance. This means the DJI Mavic 4 Pro will be even better at navigating through complex environments, making it safer and more efficient for users. Additionally, the placement of the sensor enhances the camera gimbal's freedom of movement. This allows for smoother and more stable footage, which is crucial for capturing high-quality videos and photos. However, there are concerns about battery life. LiDAR systems are known to be energy-intensive, which could impact the drone's flight time. It's something to keep in mind as we await more details from DJI. As for the launch, there's no official date yet. However, anticipation is high, and we're all eagerly waiting for DJI to make an announcement. Let's explore how this sensor could impact the drone's performance in various conditions. For example, in dense forests or urban settings with many obstacles, the sensor could significantly improve navigation and safety. This advanced technology might also open up new possibilities for professional applications like surveying, mapping, and cinematography. In addition to the sensor, we can speculate on other potential features or upgrades that might come with the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. Could we see improvements in battery life, camera quality, or even new intelligent flight modes? The possibilities are endless, and we're excited to see what DJI has in store. In summary, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro's new sensor has sparked a lot of interest and speculation. Whether it's LiDAR or IR, the sensor promises improved obstacle avoidance and better camera stability. While there are concerns about battery life, the excitement for the launch continues to build. We'd love to hear your thoughts about this new sensor and what features you're most excited about. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.